Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Appst Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can activate your Chase card. Keep watching the video till the end. To activate your Chase card, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in Chase card activate and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. You can activate your Chase card by tapping on the link or calling the number on the back of your debit card. You can also use your PIN at any Chase ATM. Here I'm gonna go with activation link. Log into your Chase account using your login credentials, and that is how you will be able to activate your Chase card quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.